Hey guys, Christian with the Groundwork team here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Groundwork pop-up or form on your website. So first thing you're going to do is head to Setup. So from here on the left side, you see Embed. Go ahead and click Embed. All right, now in the embed here, we have a couple guides here, Squarespace, WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, general embeds. They give you just a few instructions on how to get your Groundwork form on those type of editors. What I would recommend here, though, is I would pick your embed type. So typically, we see the inline and full inline. Those are used on contact pages and will replace your other contact form. The popover and the full popover, those are new features we have. We've actually seen engagement increase 3.5 times with these pop-ups. So we definitely recommend adding these. If you're going to be doing this yourself, you can always reach out to me at christian@hellogroundwork.com or the support team, support@hellogroundwork.com. But what I would recommend just to get started is I would recommend either doing the inline or the full popover or both. But what you can do is you can actually click the email button. This will copy me in the email automatically. You can reach out to your web agency if you have one, and this will send the code, and then I can follow up with them as well to get it implemented on your site. If you want to do it yourself, feel free to do so. You can always reach out to me for help, but I'm always happy to go into your website editor and add this for you. Easiest thing to do here is to just send me an email, or you can even use the chat feature below. You can always click here to copy the header script. So the popover and the full popover, they paste into the header of your website. So you'll add a custom HTML header, and then you'll paste this in there. That's how you get the floating button or the popovers. The inline are just a custom HTML block that goes in your contact page. There's some other guides here as well, and I actually have a guide here in the description of this video that can show you how to install it yourself exactly. So again, I'm always happy to do that, so you don't feel like you have to install this yourself. It doesn't take too much time, and I can absolutely work with your web agency. So just thought I'd show that. The full page popover and the full inline as well, they use what we call pages, which is just a full page. So I can actually preview that here. This is just a full page, basically contact form. So the full page pop-up will do a little pop-up, and it will have this page here. And you can always add a video, add some description, and some text there as well. So let me know if you guys do have any questions. Feel free to reach out to me or in our support team as well, support@hellogroundwork.com. Or you can reach out to me directly, christian@hellogroundwork.com, or you can use this little chat button as well. We also have this little question mark here. That's the support center. I have my phone number on there. So if you want to give me a call, feel free to do so. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.